Vercel Eve is an open-source framework for building durable AI agents. Think of it like Next.js but for agents, Filesystem-first, TypeScript-native, and durable by default. Instead of one large configuration file, each part of your agent gets a clear home. Instructions go in a Markdown file, tools or TypeScript functions in a dedicated folder, and channels connect to different platforms. Eve discovers the structure and wires everything together automatically. To get started, just run npx eve latest init my agent. That creates a new project with instructions, tools, and channels ready to go. Write your system prompt in instructions.md, add a TypeScript tool in the tools folder for the model to call, and choose your model in agent.ts. Run npm run dev and you have a working agent. Eve handles multi-channel delivery out of the box. The same agent can run in Slack, Discord, web chat, CLI, and API all at once. Sessions are durable, surviving crashes and restarts. Every step is checkpoint. Agents park when waiting and resume seamlessly. It also supports subagents, schedules, human-in-the-loop approvals, and built-in evals. Under the hood, Eve leverages Vercel workflows for durable execution, AI gateway for model calls, and Sandbox for isolated compute. Star the repo on GitHub, check out eve.dev for documentation, and build your first agent today.